Mrs.R.Devi Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Now we are going to discuss about the variables, identifiers and keywords in Python. Variable is a name that is associated with a value. That is, if we have, for example, if we have a container, we are going to fill the container with some candies, the the and name that container as a candy box. That name which we are giving to that container is a variable, and the value, that candy which we are filled in that container, is a value of that variable. A variable is a name that is associated with a value. The assignment operator is equal to is used to assign the values to variables. An immutable value is a value that cannot be changed. The num is equal to 10 and k is equal to num, print of k. In this example, the number is equal, we are assuming the value of num is equal to 10, and assuming that num is to the k value, and printing the k, it will print the 10. In Python, the same variable can be associated with the values of different types during the program execution. Variable is equal to 2, that is an integer. Variable is equal to 12.45, that is a float. And variable is equal to hello, it is represented in the single quotes, so it is a string. Variable assignment and keyboard input. The value can come from the user by use of the input function. Example, name is equal to input. What is your name? Output. What is your name? Is equal to A, B, C. That is the value which we are given already. Will assign to that name. All input is returned by the input function as a string type. For the input of numeric values, Python provides built-in type conversion function int and float. Example, age is equal to int of input enter your name. So the output would be a integer. So enter your age, you should give the integer number. That is a whole number. Identifier. An identifier is a sequence of one or more characters used to name a given program element. Python is case sensitive. Username is not as username. Identifiers may contain letters and digits but cannot begin with a digit. The underscore character underscore is also allowed, but it should not be used as a first character. Spaces are not allowed as part of an identifier. Naming an identifier here, valid identifiers are total, sales, so yes is a capital in between the string, total sales for 2020, the number is also acceptable, sales underscore for underscore 2020, so underscore is accepted in between the string. Invalid identifiers, we should not start with the quotes, and total sales space not allowed, and 2020 numbers are not, we cannot begin with a digit, and underscore sales 2020 should not begin with an underscore. So these are the valid and invalid identifiers. Keywords in Python, and keyword is an identifier that has a predefined meaning in a programming language. Cannot be used as a regular identifier. So if we give it as a and is equal to 10, this is the it will give the syntax error. So it is an invalid syntax. What are all the keywords available in Python are false, class, finally, none, continue, for, is, lambda, return, try, del, and if, else, elif, in, etc. Thank you.